Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Is your Apple account locked or disabled? Seeing messages like, your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons, or this Apple account is disabled? Don't worry, here are the best ways to get it back. Method 1. Reset your password on iForgot. Go to iForgot.apple.com. This is Apple's official platform for Apple account recovery. Enter your Apple ID to begin the process. Then choose Reset My Password. Next, enter your phone number or email linked with your Apple ID verification code and click Continue. Confirm your phone number. After completing these steps, you can reset your password. Method 2. Fix Apple ID locked using two-factor authentication. If the two-factor authentication feature is previously enabled on your iPhone, you can use this feature to fix the Apple ID locked problem. So you need to navigate to the settings, then enter your Apple ID account, click on the password and security option. Then tap on the Change Password option and follow the upcoming instructions to fix the Apple ID locked for security reasons problem. Method 3. Using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker to fix. If the above method does not work, because you forgot your Apple ID password and have no phone number, things can get tricky. In that situation, you may need a professional unlocking tool like TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, which can remove the Apple ID from your device when you can't access the password. This can help you regain full control of your iPhone and sign in with a new Apple ID without entering any passwords. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer, choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. Step 2. Make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone two-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information, click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. Step 4. Start to remove your Apple ID. Please note that after starting to remove, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID on your iPhone will be removed. After removing, the Apple ID locked for security reasons problem will be solved. Method 4. Check for security verification issues. Sometimes your account isn't fully disabled. It may just need extra verification. Try signing in again and make sure your trusted phone number is available and that you can receive the verification code. Your device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. That's it. If the above content is helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Follow for more easy iPhone fixes.